Yeah, there it is. The amazing maze.
There's your maze.
Oh,
Look at
wow. That's so neat. Look at that. Wow.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
no worries.
So this is the
Hi
maze.
there.
This is. Oh. Are we gonna?
Cool.
I'm not good at mazes.
This is
Oh my
just
God,
like
we
The
found
Shining.
our way out till 8 o'clock. Oh my goodness, Andrew.
Ah, cool.
What do we do? Okay, we're entering the maze land.
Very cool.
Come out again.
It's Jaden and Pino!
Whoa. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Looks like you can
now
go
it's
through there
Yeah.
or down here.
Oh, what's down here?
This is like drums.
There's.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, that's if you're in trouble and lost.
Yeah, like help me. It's like the drum signal.
Please find me.
Yeah. And then you just get deeper into the maze.
Okay, it's up and down, but there's
Right.
planes.
We're in the thick of it now.
Yeah.
Ooh, another instrument.
Another instrument where it takes us.
The bongos. Or no, the chimes.
This is
Yeah, the
good.
chimes.
Let's see what it sounds. There.
The virtue signaler. And then it's kind of in this dead end.
It's just to attract them to come here to a dead end.
Yeah. There it is.
Dylan!
Lots of people having fun getting lost, everybody.
Go through here.
Okay.
I wouldn't lead you in the right place.
Yeah.
No.
Now we can
There's
kind of heading back towards the other direction now.
yeah.
Back to the start.
Okay. Oh, there's one.
Oh yeah?
Looks good. This looks good.
Oh, this looks good. It's a long trail
Up
there.
Together. Yeah.
What's around this corner? Anything?
There's more fencing.
Oh wow. Might as well
This
go here.
We'll go here.
Looks a little more dark
Yeah.
and spooky. Very cool.
All right. Still feels like we're.
It's kind of a more wide open space.
trails.
This is definitely the center. I think we're in the center.
Are we in the center?
I think so.
Yeah. This is good. These little fences that must be for the kids to. I don't know.
Yeah.
Supposed to be there.
Maybe they rope them off just for fun. This is like challenge. We're at the end here.
Here we are.
Yeah. There we go.
There's some mazes.
Boom.
It would have made more sense just
And we're out. There you go, Mom. What'd you think? Were you scared?
Hit the maze. Ah. Here we are. Champions. Of
Champions.
The maze.
Didn't get lost. Look at that.